Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. There is nothing more disappointing than seeing your Christmas cactus covered with buds, only for them to fall off one by one before they have a chance to bloom. Today I will show you the causes that many people often overlook, while also sharing a simple recipe using ingredients available in the kitchen to help the plant grow healthier. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss useful plant care tips. Let's get started. For a Christmas cactus, the causes of bud drop or flower drop that many people often overlook include: the plant is suddenly moved to a different location while it is developing buds, too much or too little water, not enough indirect light, unstable temperature changes, lack of nutrients, especially during the budding and flowering stages. In the case of my Christmas cactus, the cause is actually very simple. The plant is lacking water and nutrients, especially during the budding and flowering stages. Therefore, the first thing you need to do is water the plant with a moderate amount of clean water. Just enough to evenly moisten the growing medium and lightly hydrate the root system before using the supporting solution. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Then, place the plant in a dry, cool, and well-ventilated area, and let it rest for a short period of time. This will help the plant stabilize, reduce stress after treatment, and allow the root system to adapt better before continuing with the next care steps. While waiting for the plant to rest, we will prepare a solution to provide nutritional support for the plant. The ingredient I am using today is rice. Rice contains a small amount of starch, B vitamins, and some natural minerals. Prepare a blender. Every week we share new plant care ideas. Subscribe so you never miss an update. Add 3 tablespoons of rice to the blender. Then close the lid tightly and grind the rice into a very fine powder. Grinding the rice finely helps break down the structure of the rice grains and increases the surface area that comes into contact with water, allowing the starch and soluble substances to be extracted more easily and evenly in the following steps. Place all of the ground rice powder into a clean glass. Next, add about 500 milliliters of hot water to dissolve the rice powder. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly for about 30 to 60 seconds so that the rice powder is completely dispersed in the water, helping the ingredients blend evenly and allowing them to be extracted more effectively. Then, cover the glass and let the solution steep for 2 hours. After about 2 hours, once the solution has cooled completely, use a strainer to remove all of the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. Straining thoroughly helps remove the rice powder sediment, making the solution clearer, easier to use, and preventing the spray bottle or watering can from becoming clogged. Which country are you watching this video from? It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel and never miss any houseplant care tips. The liquid obtained is the rice solution that we will use to care for the plant. The next ingredient I use is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 contains thiamine, a vitamin commonly used by many gardeners to support plants. Next, add 3 vitamin B1 tablets to the prepared filtered rice solution. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly until the B1 tablets have completely dissolved and blended with the solution before using it in the following steps. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. This step helps make the concentration of the solution more suitable, allowing the plant to absorb it gently and safely when watering or spraying it onto the leaves. Method 1. Dip a soft cotton pad into the rice powder and vitamin B1 solution, then gently wipe both sides of the leaves of the Christmas cactus. Wiping the leaves helps remove dirt, residue, and impurities from the leaf surfaces, allowing the plant to photosynthesize more effectively. At the same time, clean leaf surfaces also help the plant absorb light better and limit the development of certain harmful agents. The rice powder and vitamin B1 solution also helps support healthy green leaves, helps the plant reduce stress after pruning or repotting, and creates favorable conditions for the plant to recover and grow more steadily. Method 2. Pour the vitamin B1 and rice powder solution into a watering can. Then, gently water around the base of the plant. Only use a moderate amount, just enough to evenly moisten the growing medium, and avoid applying too much water that could cause water to accumulate. When used properly and regularly, the solution can help support healthy root development, stimulate the formation of new roots, and help the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively. A healthy root system also provides the foundation for the plant to develop new leaves, form more buds, and produce vibrant flowers during the blooming season. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle, close the lid tightly, and store it in the refrigerator. If you want to learn the secrets to caring for all kinds of houseplants, be sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Your plants can become healthier, grow strong new roots, and produce beautiful blooms throughout the year. With this storage method, you can use the solution for about 3 to 5 days, helping save ingredients and reducing the time needed to prepare a new solution each time you care for the plant. This is a very convenient method, especially for busy people. Each time you use it, simply take the bottle out, shake it well so the solution blends evenly again, then gently mist around the base, stems, and both sides of the leaves so that the solution is distributed evenly. Shaking the solution well before use helps prevent the components in the solution from settling, ensuring a stable concentration with each spray and providing consistent care for the plant. Misting allows the solution to spread evenly over the leaf surfaces and root area without causing water to accumulate, helping the plant absorb it more gently and maintain balanced moisture for a short period of time. Pour the remaining solution evenly around the base of the Zamioculcas plant. The rice powder solution combined with vitamin B1 will provide additional nutrients to the soil, support healthy root development, stimulate the formation of new roots, and help the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively. When the root system is healthy, the Zamioculcas plant will grow steadily, produce many new shoots, and develop darker green, glossier, and sturdier leaves. Results. After about 2 months of consistent use combined with proper care, you will see many noticeable changes in the plant. The plant will grow healthier and continuously produce new leaves. The leaves will become thicker, darker green, sturdier, and glossier, while the older leaves will also retain their green color for longer. When the flowering season begins, the plant will form more buds. The buds will develop evenly and bloom into large, vibrant flowers that retain their color and last longer. With a healthy root system and lush green foliage, the plant will have enough strength to maintain regular flowering and stable growth over a long period of time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss new videos about plant care. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.